Today we will do water hammer. Now first let's discuss ballasting by gravity. Let's say the ship has loaded cargo come to a port. Now as the cargo is being discharged, you will start taking ballast. Assume all your ballast tanks are empty because when you started loading the cargo, you were deballasting, so all your tanks became empty, including the ballast pipeline. This is your ballast pipeline. Now you came to the discharge port, commence discharging cargo. Now you have to take ballast. Initially, you normally take ballast by gravity. All tanks are empty, including your ballast pipeline is also empty. Suppose you want to ballast 4 peak tank by gravity. So you have to open two valves. One is the tank valve, this one, and one is the sea inlet valve in the engine room. So which valve will you open first? Now let's say you open this valve first, sea inlet valve. Now the water will start going inside the pipeline. Initially the speed of water will be 0, but after a few meters, every 1 second, it will start increasing. The speed of water will start increasing. Here it would be, let's say, 5 meters per second. Here it was 0, then 10, and then 20. Starts increasing. So you have opened this valve first. This valve is shut. So this high speed of water will strike this valve and possibly create damage to the valve. So this is called water hammer. We know a steel hammer, which is the normal hammer, and this hammer is caused by water, so it is called water hammer. Therefore, when you are ballasting by gravity, in this case, you have to first open the tank valve and then you have to open the sea valve. If you do it like this, water will start entering at 0 speed, then speed keeps increasing 5, 10, 20 like this, and this valve is already open. You open it first, water will enter the tank. So now let's take another case, deballasting by gravity. This is the water line. 4 peak tank, assume it is full, and deballasting is going on. So this valve is open, sea outlet valve, and the tank valve is also open. Deballasting is going on. Now after a few minutes, when the water level comes here, you want to stop deballasting due to some reason. So which valve will you close first? Tank valve or the sea valve? Now here again, the water speed here is, water is going like this outside. Initially water speed is 0, then keeps increasing 5 meters per second, 10, 20. So in this case, if you shut this valve first, this high speed of water will strike this valve, the sea valve, and cause damage. So in this case, you have to, now when you want to stop this deballasting by gravity, so which valve to close first? So if we close this valve first, this high speed of water will strike this valve and cause damage. So we must first close the tank valve. So this is deballasting by gravity. Now let's take one last example. In your house also, when you use the tap, you have a water hammer. Let's see. Now you have an overhead tank in your house. This water hammer is in your house also, and there's a pipe going down, and there's a tank valve here which is normally always open. Now let's say you use the tap here. So tap has got a valve. Let's say wash basin tap, and water is started flowing. So you are washing your hands. Now you want to stop the tap. So you want to close this valve. Now if you close this valve, you will get the water hammer effect, because the speed of water here was 0, and then it kept increasing 5 meters per second, 10. So in this case, which valve will you close first, the tap valve or the tank valve? Ideally you should close the tank valve first, because here the water speed is 0, but it's not practicable to go up and down. So you can use a second option, second best option, and that is you close the valve slowly. If you close slowly, water hammer will be much less. So this option can be exercised. So even on ships, it is always better to remember to close and open all valves slowly to reduce water hammer. So this is for manual valves on the ship. If you have a hydraulic valve which you find is closing or opening very fast, so you should adjust that valve to close and open at normal speed or more slow. This can be adjusted by the engineers. The time for the hydraulic valve to open and close 5 seconds or 10 seconds will be given in the manual. That is about water hammer.